definitely amplified and pumped for this game. Both teams, while they're getting sorted, we'll go through the team list for Tamaki Makaurau. At number 5, we had Hami Losa. Number 6, we have Billy Bice. Number 7, we have Christopher Latu. 8, Shannon Moka. Number 9, Jaden Holland. Number 10, Asha Norman Tepo. Number 11, Lorenzo Stevenson. Number 12, Liam Poe Viviani. Number 13, Joshua Kopua. 14, Paya Sikuvia. 15, Edward Pirika. 16, Stephen Collin. 17, Taniora. 18, Manarangi Ariki Sawan Sesu. Number 19, J. Lee Nathan. Number 20, Soane Fehoko. 21, Rocky James Kure. 22, Joseph Afime Moga. Number 23, Zechariah Eso. Number 24, Paula Tafia. 25, Dayton Moore. Number 26, Ernest Johannesson. 27, Niwa Williamson Yates.
And the team list for Whanganui-a-Tara. At number 1, we have Jeremiah Tiati Collins Nichols. Number 2, Cruz Waters. Number 3, Evan Painga. Number 4, Naylan Murray Lopepe. Number 5, Widemu Morioho Hotokona. Number 7, Dasman Metuariki. Number 8, Hade Kawiti. Number 9, Connor Chadwick. Number 10, Mason Carey. Number 11, Totoa Sicily. Number 12, Tom Devanzo. 13, Detroit Tangio. Number 14, Molela Sikuvea. Number 16, Te Wano Ormsby. Number 17, Edward Waido. Number 18, Isaiah Ormsby. Number 19, Damon Edwards. Number 20, No Mai Amohanga. Number 21, Dallas Clay. Number 22, Puhi Robinson. 23, Tohu Ariki Meki. Number 24, Ranui Kapua. And at the 25, Tipene Thompson. Grab a drink, grab a popcorn or tiwi. This is one's gonna be a great. And they've dropped it. Tamaki Makaurau had a prime opportunity to score there. But a bit unfortunate on the drop ball.
To Whanganui-a-Tara regaining possession for tackle 1 over here. We've got a penalty for strip.
And here they go, running it out of their own half.
Nice strong defense there from Tamaki Makaurau. Nice carry there. Two-minute tackle there from Tamaki Makaurau.
Grueling defense here from Tamaki. Not letting up anything. What are they feeding you boys down there? Look at this defense.
Goodness te ahika.
Oh, what a run. Straight over the top of him. Good recovery though. There you go, the Whanganui-a-Tara kicking it out of their own half. Gonna go down. Oh, it's bounced. Chase is on. Great kick down to the corner. And Tamaki Makaurau will start to set off in their own 20.
Nice carry there from Hami Losa. Good dart out of dummy half. Picks up at least 20, 25 meters. Good carry there from Edward Pirika, number 15. Manages to get to Whanganui-a-Tara offside and get a penalty for Tamaki there.
Oh, what a run. Big fella. Takes it down. They're inside the 10 now on the first. Quick play the ball. Back. Number 7.
Ooh, nice.
He's going to go over the line. Hot knife through butter.
Tamaki. Who was that?
Looks like that was Norman Tepo. As seen here on the One Foundation replay. Bat backwards. Right footstep, few fins, left footstep. Oh, is that Sean Johnson? Asher Norman Tepo goes over for Tamaki Makaurau. And lining up the kick is Hami Loza. Right underneath the post. That's a gimme.
It's good to see our whānau spreading their wings a little bit. Hami Loza is usually his whānau deeply involved with counties Manukau Māori. So definitely good to see him out here with Tamaki Makaurau. Also currently playing first 13 for De La Salle College in Auckland.
Oh yeah. It's a great thing about this tournament. Brings everyone together. Māori players get to branch out and go play for their iwi. And we're now on the hunt. Te Whanganui-a-Tara will kick off. It's a 6-point lead to Tamaki Makaurau as Asher Norman Tepo went over for them, converted by Hami Loza. Great story, as my mate Ernie has said. Oh, they've left the game ball. Bit of a delay on that one. Another kupu is piro, which means try in English.
Piro, try.
Piro, try. And the conversion, whanawhakau.
Oh, they go for the short kick.
Short kick off. Great catch. They're going to spread it left. Good run. And they're just inside their own 40.
Good dart out of dummy half from... Who's that?
Beats one. Solid contact. Think these boys are men. This is only under 15s Tama e Hoama. Oh, what a run. Oh, unfortunate to lose it there.
Lorenzo Stevenson with the strong carry there. Unfortunately, he lost the ball, but definitely a good carry.
Oh, what a shot. Norman Tepo there again.
Te Whanganui-a-Tara battling to get out of their half.
This game very aggressive, and they've got a penalty because of it. Bit too aggressive on defense there, Tamaki Makaurau. It's a short kick for touch, the first kick for touch we've seen in the morning. And if you're just joining us here, Huama, it's a 6-point lead to Tamaki Makaurau. Just 3 minutes played. Yes, you see that right. 6-point lead already. Oh, what have they done? It's Tamaki Makaurau ball. Most of the boys are rugby players who... The taps in rugby, you have to put the ball on the ground first, then put your foot on it, then you can pick it up. But in league, just hold the ball, put it on your foot, and you should be good.
We have a Tamaki feed.
It's a left foot step, and he's wrapped up by number 11, Toa Sisley. Eventually, ref calls the held. And here they go, skipping out to the left. What a pass! Does he have the legs to go all the way? No. Look who's there again, Toa Sisley.
Bring it back in.
They put it on the ground, it's went back though. Tamaki, that's a strip, ref. Ref didn't see it.
You can see the touch judge over there calling the motion for a strip.
Yep, they call it there eventually. No, they call a knock on. Unfortunate there by Tamaki Makaurau.
The boys just need to settle a little bit and, you know, earn the right to play some footy.
Skies are clearing up, fogs are clearing out. Oh, the ball is still wet though. Unfortunate knock on. Our kaiwa wao for the day, for the morning, calls a knock on. Which in Māori means taka whakamua. Taka whakamua there by te Whanganui-a-Tara.
We have a scrum on the 10 metre, Tamaki Makaurau feed.
Thank you to everyone at home who's joined us here on Facebook Live on Local Gecko Productions. It's our game 3 of the morning. And Tamaki Makaurau hold a 6-point lead, looking to extend. Oh, what a pass! Finishes in the corner.
Does he manage it to get there?
Does the ref call it? He does. He points at the spot.
Nice. Little flick pass.
Joseph Manu like there in the corner. And Tamaki Makaurau extend their lead to 10 points. What a try there. Shown here on the One Foundation replay of Sofa scrum set piece.
We run the back door there.
Out the back. The dummy. Everyone fell for it. And then the flick pass eventually. And the try was scored by.
Was unable to catch that number?
We're unable to catch that number. But here's Hami Loza again. From the sideline looking to line it up. And you can see our camera woman down there. I don't know if you can see her on at home. She is getting some great shots of the players. You'll be able to find these photos on Facebook. On our page, Local Gecko Productions.
Sorry, Whānau, just want to make a correction. Hami Losa is playing at number 1, not number 5 like I announced.
And his kick is short. Tamaki Makaurau will hold a 10-point lead with 6 minutes played in the game. Whanganui-a-Tara really need to get some offense clicking if they want to stay in the game. They don't want to let the floodgates open. Whanganui-a-Tara travelling all the way up from Wellington. And Tamaki Makaurau, of course, coming down from Auckland. And we are here in beautiful, beautiful Rotorua as we commence our 21st Māori tournament, rugby league tournament. The kickoff goes down. Great footwork.
Good strong carry there. Look, now we've got the forwards lining up in the middle. Lovely tackle. With the little short ball.
Oh, he split through them. Hot knife through butter. He's away. Is he going to get the offload? He cannot. Wrapped up. Great cover tackle there by Jeremiah Tiati Collins.
Good mature play there.
Fullback
Not
on
forcing
fullback
the
play.
pass.
And they've called the offside. Tamaki Makaurau looking to stretch the lead out to 3 tries to none.
Trying to get them a fast play the ball.
It's tapped there by Whanganui-a-Tara. And he's going to attack the middle. Although they have numbers out the left. Is he going to get over? It's try time again for Tamaki Makaurau. They are growing good aggressive footy here this morning. One Foundation replay shows the try again. Unfortunate not to get the intercept. And once again unable to catch the number, but Tamaki Makaurau go over once again. As shown there on the One Foundation replay. And we'll have a new kicker lining it up.
I think there was number 4 Shannon Moka. Aroha mai whānau if I have that wrong, but I think that try was scored by Shannon Moka.
Nevertheless, we have a conversion kick. Is that successful? Asher Norman Depose, who got our try scoring underway this morning, who scored the first try in the game. And Tamaki Makaurau up 14-0.
11 minutes to play in the first half.
Whanganui-a-Tara need to get something clicking here.
There's no set of urgency at the moment from Te Whanganui-a-Tara.
Absolutely none. Can always improve. They're not out the game yet though. Only 10 minutes gone in the first half. Full 30 minutes of footy left to play. And there it is, big left boot. Goes down into the 10. They're going to bring it back. What a run. Tramples over one. Brings it back about 20 metres. Oh, another big carry. Sits him down.
Oh,
And
no.
he's lost it.
Good carry there from Rocky Kure. Unfortunately, he was unable to hold on to the ball.
We are fortunate enough here this morning to have a representative from Tamaki Makaurau Rugby League sitting next to me, Ernie Dallamy.
Contact there.
And his rohi really showing what they can do out there. Here's a bit of straightforwardness from Te Whanganui-a-Tara. Here's the number
Nice little footwork
22.
there. Oh, high tackle.
Puhi Robson there was on the back end of the high tackle.
Te Whanganui-a-Tara getting into some good space to attack right now.
And they're just 20 metres out. Now they have prime field position to get on the board. This is their first good possession of the game. They can show what they can do here. Here they go out left. Big number 11. Tuatua Sisley gets the offload away. And another offload. And it's come down with Te Mana Edwards. Manages to stay in field. Dallas Clay there at dummy half. They send it right to the middle of the field. Big number 6. And Connor Chadwick there. Final tackle. Connor Chadwick. He goes right. Kick from the lock. Oh, it's unfortunate bounce. They've got to it. Will the ref call it?
He called knock on, yeah.
Ref has called knock on. Very unfortunate by Jeremiah Tiati Nichols. Shown here on our One Foundation replay.
Nice little grubber in the big.
Amazing grubber. Very unfortunate not to get the try called there.
Oh, actually, had a change of mind. We now have a dropout.
We're going to have a dropout. They're saying tapped out by Tamaki Makaurau. And here's a huge run. Gains about 20 metres and he's still going. Coming left. Number 21, Dallas Clay.
Good return there.
Oh, they've dropped it the very next play. It's a double knock on. Very unfortunate by Mason Carey.
Scrum there. Tamaki feed. Good to see Te Whanganui-a-Tara having a good dig there. Just unfortunate with the error. The loose carry knock on.
Important thing for Whanganui-a-Tara here is not to let their mind be controlled by the scoreboard. Play their own game. Offense will come naturally. Just need to harden up on defense. As meters shown here, too easy. Still going. Still going. About a 40-meter carry. And they're going to go out left. They get it out to the winger. He comes in field. He gets the offload away. And there's that. Here they are, 20 minutes, or 20 meters. Sorry.
Inside the 10 now.
Set
Same
piece.
play again.
They're going to go out. They're going to score again. Number 17. Jay Leeleman Nathan.
Well done, Jay Lee.
And Jay Lee Nathan scores in the corner. Shown here on the One Foundation replay. Beautiful set play by Tamaki Makaurau.
Exactly the same set play that scored them the last try as well.
Oh yeah.
Skip pass here by Hamilosa. And good drawing pass with a good finish at the end. Well done, Tamaki Makaurau.
Hamilosa's been everywhere so far. On offense for Tamaki Makaurau. Steering them around the park.
He's doing very, very well today, Hamilosa. But he's a very talented player, the young man.
Not a natural rugby league player. And he's
We're
on
just
a line.
getting ready for Hami to take the kick. Just want to make a shout out to our coaches over there, our bias, taking Tamaki Makaurau for some years now. For all of you who don't know, they've been called Tamaki Makaurau for the last 3 years, but prior to that they were Ngā Taonga or Tamaki Makaurau. But it's good to see that they've kept the same colours.
And the kick was unsuccessful from the sideline. Scoreline stays at 18-0. 4 tries, 1 conversion to Tamaki Makaurau in the first half. Graphic shows you wrong. The score is 18-0. There it is. Tamaki Makaurau take a 3 converted try lead to half time. 4 tries, 1 conversion. And Whanganui-a-Tara very unfortunate in the first half not to cross over a couple of times. We will go to the half-time break.
Our 15s trophy for our Tama is named the Kore Kingi. Kore Kingi was out of the Upper Hutt Club in Wellington, coming through the system and an elite player, and unfortunately an untimely passing saw Corey leave us, but we'll remember him, and his trophy incidentally is the one that's been around the longest since the year 2000. So his trophy has been going 20 years, exactly the same as our Rangatahi tournament. So that's the 15s Tama. The 17s Tama is the Luke Tipene trophy, and Luke was an outstanding person, come to our Rangatahi tournaments, tragically lost his life, and it's just great that we can honour Luke in terms of the 17 Rangatahi, because that's what he was about. He was a proud Māori boy, a great player, had it all ahead of him, and unfortunately his untimely passing saw him lost to us.
Ko kōma ko tākiri maira ko te ata hāpara. Welcome back to beautiful, shiny Rotorua where the landscape's beautiful and the people even more so. I'm Te Ahika Trotman, I'm joined here by Ernie Dallamy and we are covering this game. Second half about to begin, Tamaki Makaurau versus Whanganui-a-Tara. 18-0 scoreline. Oh, and the kick's gone out on the full.
Not a very good way to start from Te Whanganui-a-Tara, but hopefully they can get themselves sorted and begin to put some points on the board. They're going to have to D up hard here because they're coming out of the 50. Tackle one.
It was a dominant first half from Tamaki Makaurau.
Good 10, 11 metre carry there from Rocky Kude.
And this half they're going to not look to let the foot off the Tiger's neck. It was a bit suspect on the pass there. Oh, they've gone again. And he's taken out.
Good save tackle there.
And Jaylee Nathan was looking for try number 3. He was on the prowl. It'll be Whanganui-a-Tara feed in the scrum, coming out of their own end.
Good save tackle there, didn't quite get the number, but managed to stop a definite try down that edge.
Upon second look, I apologise for getting the times wrong. We'll have 25-minute halves rather than the usual 20. These under 15s boys, something special. They're going to spread it out right. Here goes Whanganui-a-Tara trying to run it out their own end. They lose about 4 metres. Penalty. Well, that's a good piggyback. Silly play there by Tamaki Makaurau.
He doesn't make it.
It's not gone out. And Hami Loza brings it back, still going. And he's called held. Niwa Williamson Yates out there on dummy half. Big number 11, what a carry. Paya Sikuvea. Here they go again, the big fellas. They're going to run over the line. He's short. Go attack the same place. Sikuvea just short. They go right.
Backwards. They got numbers out there.
They've got numbers. Are they going to cross over again? They are. The right hand side of Tamaki Makaurau just clicking here this morning. They start off the second half just like they ended the first. Beautiful try.
Number 12, Edward Pirika.
Edward Pirika goes over the back rower. Look who made the pass, number 10. Joshua Korpua, as shown there on the One Foundation replay. Again, thank you all for tuning in here. Local Gecko Productions on Facebook Live. No mai haere mai wherever you're watching from. And looks like the floodgates here are opening for Tamaki Makaurau. Kick from the sideline. Hami Lozas missed again. 5 tries, 1 conversion. 22 points to 0.
Sun is starting to come out far now. Field should dry up. We should get a lot more fast games coming this afternoon.
Today's looking to be a cracker of a day for rugby league. The clouds can clear out. The 21st New Zealand Māori Rugby League tournament played here in Te Rotorua Nui a Kahumata Momoi.
Te Te Whanganui-a-Tara with the restart.
You don't think those Te Arawa teams are enjoying the travel? Oh, what a tackle. Whanganui-a-Tara playing much more aggressive here in the second, coming out of the break. Another great tackle. Quick play the ball. Not as quick as he has hoped.
Get to halfway now already.
Third
Over
tackle.
halfway.
Oh, they've thrown it out. Nathan. Can he go over for a third? No, he's brought down.
Just shy of the 10 metre.
J. Lee Nathan. Here they go out the left. They'll shovel it. Number 2. Billy Bass looking for the line. Won't quite get there. And they're going to go left again. The number 14. Tani Ora Moana. And they've caught a penalty here. And the whakatauki there, ahakoa he iti he pounamu. Edward Waido is now out there for Whanganui-a-Tara. Although small in stature, that man can pass. Here he goes, here's his first opportunity. You go to the halfback who goes, they're trying to get out of their own end here at the Whanganui-a-Tara, that second tackle. And that's a penalty. They'll boot it back, no fullback. Hami Loza's coming back to cover. The kick not as far left as he'd hoped it to be. And here goes Loza to Nathan. J. Lee Nathan. He's taken out of play. Wonderful game for attacking footy.
Probably just need to settle down a little bit, go back to basics, and take a few settles through the middle.
They don't want to play too flashy here, Tamaki Makaurau. They don't want to let the scoreboard get to their head. They need to play smart offensive football. As you see, 8 minutes played so far here in the second half. Scoreline is 22 points to 0. And here goes Whanganui-a-Tara running it out. Gains about 3 metres off the back of the scrum.
Strong carry and strong defence there.
Waido at dummy half. He goes left. And they keep going left. They eventually fall over. They're 25 metres out. Waido at dummy half. He's going to go left. Fifth tackle. They go right. And he's going to come back left. I don't think he realised it was fifth tackle. We'll have a changeover of position. No, he didn't realise that they were on the last tackle.
They was unlucky there for Te Whanganui-a-Tara.
Yeah, they were hitting the line hard. What are they going to call here? Knock on. No, they're going to call a penalty. No, knock on. A word for this morning for referee Kaiwawao. Once again, referee Kaiwawao.
Kaiwawao. Scrum just inside the 30, Te Whanganui-a-Tara feed. Ball's out, they take the short side.
And he's brought down 20 metres. 20 metres. Oh, unfortunate drop of the ball. Number 12, Tom Devanzo. Very unlucky Our second word of the morning for scrum is kakari or nonoke. So we've seen a lot of those this morning. And here goes Tamaki. Oh, unfortunate drop of the ball. Double knock on Tamaki first.
Another scrum on the 30. Te Whanganui-a-Tara's feed. Hopefully they can secure the ball a bit better in this set.
And was fullback and fullback double knock ons there. Which brings us to another kupu of the day. Fullback. Hiku. And our two hiku here today. Jeremiah Tiati Collins and Hami Loza. Hami for Tamaki and Jeremiah for Te Whanganui-a-Tara. It's been quite a quiet second half compared to what happened in the first. Whole lot of errors. And big run there by Nayland Murray, Lou Pepe. Here's Wido again. Good pass, good take there by Nomai Amohanga, and good contact by Tamaki. Oh, another big shot. Isaiah Ormby comes out of the other end of that one. Gets the short end of the stick. They're going to go right now.
The defense has been pretty good so far for Tamaki.
Detroit Tangia will play it. And there goes Tom Davanzo. Tom's gonna cross over, is he? Ref nods his head, points at the spot. Te Whanganui-a-Tara on the board.
Te Whanganui-a-Tara on the board.
As shown here from our One Foundation replay. It was a good run by Tangio initially. And look at that man, Wido, Davanzo, big carry. The momentum gets him across the line. And this may trigger something, perhaps a comeback for Te Whanganui-a-Tara. Touch wood.
Maybe we get a bit of a momentum shift in this game now that
perhaps.
Te Whanganui-a-Tara are on the board.
Perhaps we get another close game like our last one, where Ngāti Kahungunu defeated Ngāpuhi 16 points to 6. That was our under 16 kōtiro grade. But here, right now, 6 plays 22. The scoreline does not show how dominant Tamaki Makaurau has been in this game. And perhaps that sparks a trigger. Oh, it's gone back. Look who's steaming through the little fella. They've brought him back into his own touchline. It's gonna be a goal line dropout. Look at the legs on that guy.
Have you got a Māori word for drop kick there, Te Ahika?
Māori word for drop kick. Whanataka.
Whanaaha?
Whanataka.
Whanataka. Drop kick.
Something no one would want to be. And Tamaki Makaurau. 23 metres out. There goes that number 7 again. Oh, they've gone through again. Tamaki Makaurau. Dominant here in this game. They run over for 26 to 6. Referee points at the spot. Our Kaiwawa points at the spot. Once again, our One Foundation replay shows how the try was scored. And again,
Drop
it's
one
a
there, drawing pass, lovely drawing pass. Good try to Jaden Holland.
Again, it's initiated by that man, Asher Norman Depot.
He is a talent there, boy. Asher Norman
He's
Depot.
special. From the sideline, the conversion. It's over! What a kick! Think you'll find that's Loza. Now 28 plays 6. Here with just under 10 minutes to play. You think too little too late for the Whanganui-a-Tara.
Still 9 minutes to go. Lots of time. Lots of things can happen in 9 minutes.
After all, this is the Māori Rugby League tournament, the 21st. A call to all rangatahi for Māori. O kia ururoatia, they're playing in this tournament. Once again, o kia ururoatia. Give it your best. And it's fielded. Oh, he's gonna go around them! Who is that?
Shannon Walker.
Shannon Moka finds Loza inside. Has he got the legs? He does. Tamaki Makaurau crossover again off the kickoff. What a try. He's going to run all the way down to the other end of the field. Shown here on our One Foundation replay off the kickoff.
Shannon Moka down the sideline.
Shannon Moka, a chance to finally show in this game. He's been a bit quiet.
Offloads to Harvey.
Beautiful inside ball. Hami Loza crosses for a try. Another try for Tamaki Makaurau. That brings them to 32 points. And with a kick right in front, you don't think you would miss this. This is a gimme. Loza lines it up, boots it over.
Another 2 points for Tamaki Makaurau.
Another 2 points, and the scoreline is 34 plays 6. It's been a great performance from Tamaki, shutting out the offense. Hard hitting defense, and once they got the ball, they let the Stars stein.
Sun is shining here at International Stadium in Rotorua whānau. Te Whanganui-a-Tara getting ready to restart the game again.
These boys are something special. The ball's fallen off the tee. We have just over 7 minutes to play in the game. Boots it down. They let it bounce, but they eventually get it, come back with it. Great run there by Tamaki. Oh, he's gone through them. Will he make it through all the way? No. Brought down on the 30-meter line. They play the ball. Oh, and the horses are out in full force here today.
Edward Purika, that strong return. Nice strong carry offload.
Oh, the offload.
Nice
That's
try.
a gimme of a try. Joseph Afime Mounga crosses over for Tamaki Makaurau. You'll be enjoying this game, Ernie.
Hey, what can I say? Showing some quality football here today.
And we'll see
Just
how
nice basic 1-6. Getting across the field and attacking good points of contact in order to set up for the next play. Just there was a good offload.
One Foundation replay doing wonders for us here. Showing a close-up angle of that beautiful try by Tamaki Makaurau. This kick will bring them up to 40. The floodgates are officially open, Ernie. The kick goes over. 40 points, play 6. Just under 6 to play. And if you're tuning in here, we have a lot more footy to be played during the day, the weekend. Stay tuned on your Facebook, Local Gecko Productions.
Just want to make a big shout out to our whānau over in Brisbane. Just sent through a message. Danielle Rimanui and Mac Rimanui, who are watching our live stream all the way from Brisbane, Australia. I'm lucky not to have them back this year for the Māori tournament, but we'll definitely get them back next year. We have the one-on-one strip from Te Whanganui-a-Tara. Four's just short of the line.
Oh,
unlucky.
Oh, so unfortunate. Desmond Mitsuariki was looking. I think that sums up the Whanganui-a-Tara's game so far. Very unfortunate.
So making those little minor errors and real good opportunities and good space.
1%ers are killing them. They're going to go out right.
Getting some strong carries out of this Tamaki side, picking up almost 20 metres a carry.
Oh, and he's gone through them. Don't want to sound repetitive here, but that's a hot knife through butter. Oh, he's down. Oh, that's unfortunate. Fella gets up to play the ball. They're going to boot it in behind. Oh, the bounce. The bounce hurts them there.
From the ref there in the middle of the field.
Bailed out by the referee, offside. Not bailed out, I should say. It's Whanganui-a-Tara ball. They're going to look to find touch.
Can they find touch?
Oh, whiffs.
Oh, lucky. Very lucky.
Very unlucky there from Billy Bass. He's looking to keep the ball in field.
It would have been their second one not to make touch. Inside the 40. Te Whanganui-a-Tara feed.
And with just over 2 minutes left to play, and the scoreboard the way it is, I think you'll find Tamaki Makaurau will walk away with their first victory of the weekend. Here in Game 3 of our coverage.
Nice ball there.
You're going to spread it out left, Whanganui-a-Tara. Looking to spark some offense. A bit of hope, possibly a bit of momentum for the next game. It will be back to the drawing board for this team from Pōneke. Again, Etefano, please be wary of our time clock. We're playing to the referee's time, not the one shown on our graphic.
Nice contact there.
Oh, what a shot. What a tackle. Ragdolls him down. And here they go again.
Just hold it.
He's gone through them.
Good tackle.
Oh,
there,
what a
Harmy.
tackle. Loza saves a try. We got a bin. And I think we do. We have our first sin bin of the morning. Our kupu Māori for sin bin by whakawhiu. Our first sin bin of the weekend from Tamaki Makaurau. 13 plays 12 now for Te Whanganui-a-Tara. As shown on our graphic, under 1 minute to go. Could be weary change, but
Te Whanganui-a-Tara over with a try.
very depleted now, Tamaki Makaurau. 13 on 12. Now one foundation replay providing the goods.
little bit of footwork on the line.
Number 21, Dallas Clay, crosses over for Te Whanganui-a-Tara. 40 plays 10. I would assume not a lot of time left in the game. He makes the kick. 40 plays 12. Again, we are playing to the referee's time, which is just a few minutes off. And we've been very fortunate to call this game. And we'll have different callers all throughout the weekend. There goes the full-time hooter. I think they're going to let the kick. Loza, the short one, doesn't go 10. Penalty, Whanganui-a-Tara.
Tap out halfway. See what they can come up with in this last play.
And Kawiti takes it down. The referee blows full time on the game. Tamaki Makaurau dominant here in Rotorua. They defeat Whanganui-a-Tara 40 points to 12.
I just want to make a big shout out to all our coaches, our managers and our trainers who take the time out to coach these teams, because without you this would not be possible. Thank you to our sideline. It's good to see that we have one of our young fellas whose brother's playing for Tamaki running the sideline over there, Zach Stevenson. He's definitely a talent as well, so keep an eye out for him, whānau. Zach Stevenson running the sideline, definitely a talent to watch out for. But that brings us to the end of our third game for the morning. Final score, Tamaki Makaurau 40, Te Whanganui-a-Tara 12.
I've been Te Ahika Tropman, sitting alongside Ernie Delamere. Thank you for joining once again. Signing off.